Have you ever wondered why some families accumulate wealth for generations, while others remain trapped in a cycle of financial struggles? Is it just luck, opportunities? Or is there a plan that can change your family's future forever? If you're a parent concerned about your children's future, what I'm about to show you could be the difference between repeating past mistakes or building a financial legacy that will last for generations. And before we continue, make sure to like this video, because this knowledge can transform your life. What is the cycle of poverty? Many families struggle financially, not because they don't work hard enough, but because they were never taught the right way to build wealth. The cycle of poverty begins when parents work tirelessly, but without a structured financial plan. Money comes in and goes out, without creating assets that can benefit future generations. Now, imagine if your children didn't have to start from scratch. What if, instead, they had a solid financial foundation, built by you, ensuring a more prosperous future for them and their grandchildren? This is not a distant dream. It's a real strategy that many wealthy families use to grow their wealth across generations. The key to breaking the cycle: financial education and strategy. The first thing that needs to change is how your family manages money. You need to teach your children from an early age about how to save and invest properly, how to create income streams beyond a traditional job, how to avoid unnecessary debt, and most importantly, you need to start applying this knowledge now: how to build a lasting financial legacy. Now, let's talk about practical strategies that can change your family's financial trajectory. 1. Creating an education fund. Instead of just saving money for emergencies, why not create a fund that guarantees your children's and grandchildren's education? This can be done through safe investments like bonds, real estate funds, and even stocks in well-established companies. 2. Building wealth through real estate. One of the most common strategies among wealthy families is investing in real estate to generate passive income. By renting out a property, for example, you can ensure a continuous income stream for your children in the future. 3. Smart investments for generations. Building an investment portfolio with a long-term mindset can turn small amounts into significant wealth over the years. The rule is simple: diversify your investments and reinvest your profits. And if you want to learn how to do this the right way, I've left a link in the description to a complete training that teaches you step by step how to create passive income and invest for your family's future. Take advantage of it while it's still available. The danger of not taking action now. One of the biggest mistakes people make is postponing this process. They think, "Oh, I'll look into this later." And before they know it, years have passed and nothing has changed. The truth is that time can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. The sooner you start, the sooner you see results. Your family's future is in your hands. Now that you understand the importance of planning your family's financial future, the choice is yours. You can continue on the same path, or you can take action today and start building a lasting legacy. And to help you with that, remember the link in the description. There, you'll find a training that teaches you how to create a solid financial plan. Invest wisely, and ensure that your family never struggles financially again. So, if you're ready to take this step, click the link now and start this transformation today. If this content made sense to you, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because here, I bring you content that can truly change your financial life. Now tell me in the comments, which of these strategies will you apply to your family first?